Sinbad.
Proteus! It's about time.
Do you realize how serious this is?
Do you realize how many times I've heard that today?
You betrayed Syracuse.
Not you two.
Stealing the Book of Peace when you knew how much it meant to us.
Proteus, here's the way this works. First, I actually commit a crime, and then you get to blame me for it.
And how do you explain this?
Eris.
What?
Eris. She framed me.
Sinbad, listen to yourself.
Trust me, Proteus, the book is in Tartarus. Talk to your father. Tell him
This is beyond my father. The ambassadors are convening now for your trial.
Whoa. Trial? I didn't do it! Look, I left the book on your ship and that's the last I saw of it. You were there. You know the truth. You know me.
Do I? And you a kid? Who are you now, Sinbad? Look me in the eye and tell me. Did you steal the book?
No.
Sinbad says that Eris took the book. And I believe him. Let him go to Tartarus and recover the book.
What? What are you doing?
You claim that Eris stole the book. Steal it back. You're good at that.
Hey, look, I will not be responsible for your life.
You would do the same for me.
No, I wouldn't.
If Sinbad is allowed to leave the city, he'll never come back. Son, listen to Reese.
No, father, you listen. Sinbad either stole the book, or he's telling the truth and it's in Tartarus. Either way, he's our only hope.
Proteus, you realize that if Sinbad does not return, you will be put to death in his place.
I understand.
So be it. Sinbad has 10 days to return the book.
Release him.
Oh, thank goodness. One of you is all right.
So, like, what are you guys in the mood to eat? And please don't say human.
Boys,
I told you, I'm not going with you guys. There's no way I'm climbing into some rickety old
Sleigh. Oh, and Sinbad. Don't be late.
Probably.
And I'll be here. Maybe. Hey, Bunny. Check out this view.
Rack off, you bloody show pony.
If you're not ready to challenge her, then don't look her in the eye.
Keep your big giant arms on your side of the trail.
Isn't this fun? We're taking our first trip together.
Stop! Stop, or I will pull out your tongue.
You want me to turn this family around? Do you? Because I will turn this family around so fast.
Dad, I gotta go.
Come on, you can hold it.